Hey everyone, we just wrapped up an amazing family vacation at the brand new Evermore Resort in Orlando, Florida, and I couldn't wait to share our incredible experience with you. From the moment we arrived, we knew this place was special. To get onto the property, they sent you a QR code via email, or you could provide your license plate number for the gate to automatically open each time that you arrive in order to drive onto the property. The check-in process was super smooth and completely touch-free. For the most part, you can communicate with the staff via text message, email, or phone as well. We opted to mostly do the texting feature, even when we had a problem with one of the televisions in our villa. So one of the first things we did was hop on the resort trolley to explore the entire property. It was such a fun and convenient way to get around, especially with little ones in tow. We noticed that they were still building some of the single family homes, so that's just a note, but it had no impact on us having a great time. Now let's talk about where we stayed. Evermore Resorts offers a wide range of accommodations, including villas, condo flats, hotel rooms, and even single family homes. Whether you're traveling as a couple, a family, or a big group, that's a perfect spot for you. We stayed in a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa, and it felt like our own little oasis in the heart of the resort. And let's not forget how close you are to Walt Disney World, an astonishing 3 miles. And they also offered a motor coach ride to and from the Disney World parks. Next up, we headed to the food hall where guest services, restaurants, and the fitness centers are housed. This place had quick eats, games, a full-service restaurant, plenty of gym equipment, and a small market to buy items as well as coffee. Yes, it rained during some of the time we were there. I believe we went during rainy season, late July, beginning of August. So for most of the day, the weather was clear and hot, but by about 3 to 5 p.m., the rain clouds would roll in and take over the show. So that didn't bother us. We were pretty much done by then. The children wanted to go back to the villas and pack up and just kind of relax and do another activity such as miniature golf or the arcade. So Evermore Resort has multiple pools, each with its own vibe. There are relaxing spots for adults and fun diving areas for the kids and adults as well. I definitely took advantage of that. It was the perfect balance of relaxation and adventure. What you're looking at now is the pool right across from the villas. This place was pretty much private. If we did not have children with us, this is probably where we would have stayed the most. It was quiet and serene. We kept referring to the area as the adults only pool. Within this clubhouse, they had offered the Peloton studio, but honestly, we have no clue whether they offered that or not because neither one of us were interested in exercising during this trip. We've kept you waiting long enough. Let's skip to what you really came for. Look at this stunning man-made lagoon. They refer to it as Evermore Bay. It was like stepping into a tropical paradise. Seriously, just look at this water. We spent hours here swimming, paddleboarding, and soaking up the sun. The kids were absolutely in love with this area. But the highlight of our trip, racing down this massive slide. Yes, all 4 of us went down at the same time and it was a blast. It's not often you find something that is this much fun for the whole family, and trust me, the slide did not disappoint. After all that excitement, we had to refuel, and luckily the resort offers plenty of dining options. From casual bites to more upscale fare, there was something for everyone. We especially loved the family-friendly atmosphere at all the dining spots. Overall, our stay at Evermore Resorts was nothing short of phenomenal. From the exciting activities to the serene relaxation spots, there was something for everyone. It's safe to say this trip was full of memories we'll cherish for years to come. Of course, we had to stop at Disney Springs. No trip to Kissimmee, Florida would be complete without that visit. So we made reservations to Boathouse, and we were thrilled when we found out that there was a drone light show complete with music right outside on the deck where we were eating. And it was such a spectacular sight to see. The kids were thrilled. We were thrilled as adults. And it was definitely a welcome sight in contrast to fireworks. It was very friendly for those who have young kids, fur babies, or those that might be veterans. So it was definitely a nice touch and a welcome sight. If you're planning a trip to Orlando, Evermore Resort should be at the top of your list. We had an unforgettable time, and I'm sure you will too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.